Hi guys, welcome back to Sailor Voice. Today's episode is something we all need minsan. How to let go of things, people, opportunities na hindi talaga meant for us. Alam mo minsan, ang hirap mag-let go. Kasi sanay tayo, kasi komportable, kasi umaasa tayo na one day, things will finally work out. Pero babe, hindi lahat ng binibitawan mo ay loss. Sometimes, letting go is protection. Sometimes, letting go is redirection. May mga tao sa buhay mo na dumadaan lang to teach you something. May mga lugar na pinupuntahan mo pero hindi mo pala kailangan tumira doon forever. May mga pangarap na dati akala mo, eto na yon. Pero habang tumatagal, ramdam mo sa puso mo, you deserve more. You deserve better. Ang problema minsan, hindi sa pagkawala, kundi sa takot nating maging empty. Pero hindi ka empty. You're just clearing space for what's truly yours. So today, gawin mo to. Pause, breathe, ask yourself, what am I holding on to? That's hurting me more than helping me? And then, bitawan mo ng dahan-dahan. Not because you're weak, but because you're finally choosing peace. Remember this, what's meant for you will never confuse you, will never drain you, will never leave you feeling less. This is Sailor Voice. Thank you for listening and I'm proud of you for choosing yourself today.